good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 77 cents, up about 0.46 on the day. See, market was 10.24 billion. 24-hour volume 332 million. Let's hop into the charts. Whoa. So Matic is currently sitting in our pullback zone. We have some divergences. I know was a divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Very oversold. So I do think it's likely we're going to see a bounce very soon from this box. Now we could bounce and potentially come a little bit lower. But if I pop over to our next chart, I think that this pullback is very close to ending and we could see a reversal. But as I mentioned, the targets for the wave 2, 50% normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback in between 70 cents all the way down at 45 cents is the 78.6, but I don't think we'll come that low. 70 cents, very possible, maybe a little bit lower, but I do think the bounce is relatively close. We came down and touched the support we've been covering on the channel at 76 cents. On the higher time frames, support and resistance is like a magnet for the price, and you can see we came straight down to it. So of course we can come lower to 67 cents to retest these levels, but we are oversold on the RSI. The money flows back down to the bottom section. So I do think even if we break a little bit lower, I do think we're relatively close to seeing that continuation to the upside. Looking at the price of Ethereum, potentially the bearish scenario is coming down in the wave Y and coming down in the ABC. So we may be starting the wave C, and that's a 5-wave move. So we came down to wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback zone in between 1851 and 1885. If we can break this level, it's the 78.6 at 1885. And we break this trend line, there is obviously the opportunity of a straight breakout. If the bulls can push above, retest, hold, see continuation, then the bulls can take control, especially if we break this high at 1916. There is a chance of a straight breakout. But the DXY does look like there's going to be one more leg up, which I'll talk about in my Bitcoin video, which would be negative for the crypto market as it moves opposite of the DXY. All right, gang, so this is a target zone to look for rejection of the wave 2 if we are going to come down in the WXY. If I zoom out, what we're looking at here is we saw a beautiful wave 1 to the upside. WXY potentially take you down to the 1640 range. About 1560 to about 1700. There's a lot of support and resistance, and the fib levels for that pullback, we have the 50% at 1716, and the golden ratio is sitting at about 1620. So that's the bearish scenario. We break down from this descending broadening wedge and see continuation down. But as I mentioned, if we can break above 78.6, the wave 2 becomes less likely. And if the bulls can break this trend line, hold as support, there is the opportunity to see a straight breakout to the upside. All right, gang, we are currently in an Ethereum trade, which you can have free access to the Discord. And what we're looking for is a reaction pretty soon here from this target zone for Matic. Currently, we're in 4 trades: Gallus, Sand, BTC, Ethereum. You can have a 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses and then just email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 minutes. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. Crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays. Also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link and smash the like button if you got some value. Follow if you're new, if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.